Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 25 Kingsgate. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-storey property, a small development here in Kings Heath. Ample off-road parking here at the front and gated access leading through to the rear garden. And then moving into the property, we have the hallway here and the kitchen on the right hand side. Really nicely presented throughout this property. We have the integrated dishwasher and washing machine. Cooker and gas hob as well. Then we also have the ground floor WC here on the right hand side. And then stairs going up to the first floor. And then through to the main reception room. Really good size with double doors heading out into the garden. Okay, then moving up onto the first floor, we've got the landing area here with stairs going up to the second floor. There's also the built-in airing cupboard housing the hot water cylinder. Then to the front of the property, we have a further living room, which can also be used as another bedroom, depending on your preference. But it's a really good sized room with 2 windows to the front aspect. And then across to the bedroom here, which faces towards the rear. Lovely little window seat with additional storage in here as well. Plus there is a built-in wardrobe with sliding doors in the corner. And then we have the ensuite shower room as well, with toilet and wash basin. And a really good size shower cubicle. And then moving up onto the second floor, where we have 2 further good sized bedrooms and a bathroom up here as well. So the largest of the 2 bedrooms up here, which faces towards the rear of the property. So having a good run of fitted wardrobes in here. And another window seat with built-in storage. Then just here in the middle we've got the bathroom with toilet, wash basin and bath with a shower above. And then across to the next bedroom, which again, really good size and facing towards the front of the property. Okay, and then moving outside into the rear garden. Lovely seating area here to the far end, and nice sized flagged patio as well. Useful point to make as well for this property is the space at the side. Great for additional storage, bit of shelter and gated access back out to the front of the property. And that concludes the online viewing for this one. If you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.